Hi, 4th grade. It's Monday, and we're going to review lessons 96 and 97 to make sure you have a better understanding of how to find an average, and then also the terms mean, median, mode, and range. Teachers use averages all the time to find out your grades. So average is a great skill to have. All right, so first of all, look on your reteach sheet, and at the top it tells you the 3 simple steps of how to find an average. You add the numbers. If I were trying to find your average grade, say in reading or math, I would add all of your grades up for the 9 weeks. And then number 2, you count how many numbers were added together. Say I had 12 grades for you that 9 weeks. You divide the sum by that number. So the sum of all of your tests and quizzes and whatever else classwork, I would divide by 12. So it is pretty simple. Let's look at number 1 at the bottom of your reteach together. It says, Jarrell has a book to read for class. He read 35 pages the first day and 75 pages the second day. If he reads 45 pages on the 3rd and 4th day, how many pages does he read on average per day? Your reteach gives you the first step. They listed all of the number of pages that he read, and so you need to add it together. Once you do add that together, as you can see, you get the number 200. How many numbers did we add together? 4. So you take 4 and divide it into 200, and therefore you get 50. So Jarrell read 50 pages per day. Okay, press pause, and I want you to do number 2. The answer to number 2, hopefully you got this right, is 29. Pretty easy. Okay, let's move on to reteach 97. Mean is another word for average. It's the average of a list of numbers. That's just what we did in lesson 96. The median is the middle number when the numbers are arranged in order. The first step when you're given a list of numbers is to list them from smallest to largest. If there is an even number of numbers across in your list, then the median is the average of the 2 middle numbers. If not, you pick just that simple middle number, median, like the median in a road. Remember that. Mode is the number that repeats the most in the list. Mode, most. Easy way to remember it. And the range is the difference between the least and the greatest numbers. So you would just subtract those 2 numbers. Okay, so let's look at number 1. This is used a lot with the weathermen. They want us to find the mean, median, mode, and range of the temperatures below. So they gave us the temperatures, but they're not in the right order. So we need to put those temperatures in the correct order. So we would list them like this, okay? Smallest to largest. The average or the mean of these numbers is 67. Okay, how did you get that? You should have added all of these together and then divided by the number of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then the median is 70. I have to get the average of the 2 middle numbers because there's 6 numbers, and that's an even number. Okay, that's an even number. So you must add those together and then divide. Okay? Divide by 2. The mode, there is none. All the numbers are different, so there's not one that repeats the most. The range, you would take the top number, 75, and subtract the lowest number, 51, and you get the answer, 24. Okay, I'm going to hold this up so you can see, and I'm also going to scan this to you so you can really check your answers. Okay, moving on. Look at number 2. Number 2, they asked us to do the same thing. You must put those in order first. So go ahead, press pause, and work that out, and I'll come back with the answers. Okay, number 2, I arranged the numbers. Here they are in order. I'm going to read it to you and I'm going to scan this to you. 18, 23, 25, 29, 30, 32, 46. They are listed from lowest to highest. The mean, or the average, is 29. The median is 29. I didn't have to average any numbers to find that median because I have a true median here. Because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. So that middle number, 29, is the median. It's the middle of the road. The mode, there is no mode. And the range is 28. All you need to do to find out the range is subtract 46 minus 18 to get your range of 28. Okay? The last one, they just want to know the median of that set of data. How are you going to find that? Take a minute, figure it out, press pause, and come back. Okay, our list of numbers for number 3 is 78, 81, 85, 77, 83, 90. Now, you needed to put them in the proper order. When you put them in the proper order, you find that the two middle numbers are 85 and 77. Okay? 85 and 77 equals 162. 2 goes into 162 82 times. So the median for that set of data is 82. Don't forget, you have to list your numbers from least to greatest. If you forget to do that, you're not going to get the right answer.